In this video, I will show how to write square root in Microsoft Word document. So press Alt equal sign on your keyboard. Now in this equation editor, select radical and select here square root. Now write your required number. Alt plus equal. This is a shortcut for equation editor. Once you will open this equation editor, in radical you can select square root, radical with degree, square root with degree, and cubic root. And this is the common formula. So this is the way. And guys, in this equation editor there are more fractions. You can just select and insert. Thanks for watching.